How are you? I think that you are pretty well by the grace of Almighty. I am so fine. Dear students, you have already known that our institutions are opened, but all the classes are not held in full swing. So, the government has already treated us to continue our previous online class for your betterment. I will introduce myself. I am Shamirul Roy, Assistant English Teacher, Banishanta Pinakpani High School. Dear learners, in my previous class, I discussed about transformation of sentences. Today, I will also discuss another rules of transformation. Basically, complex to simple. Dear learners, please follow the board and write down our today's topic name, transformation of sentences. Dear learners, please follow the board and write down our today's topic name, transformation of sentences. Basically, complex to simple. Dear learners, you have already known that what is complex or what is simple and what is compound sentence. Today, we will discuss how to change from complex to simple. At first, I write so that. Dear learners, you know that so that is a complex word. If I give an example, he came here so that he could meet me. Dear learners, please follow the board. Here is an example of complex sentence. If we identify this is a complex sentence because in this sentence we find so that. When we transform this sentence complex to simple, what is our answer? At first we will write our first clause. He came here, and at the place of so that we put to. Then we take verb from the second clause and object. Dear learners, please follow the board. As it is a complex sentence, it has two clauses. He came here, this is the first clause. He could meet me, this is the second clause. Dear learners, in this sentence we put to at the replacement of so that, and this is simple sentence. Dear learners, we will discuss another rule. So, that. Dear learners, you have already known that this is also a complex word. So, that. Now, I give an example. He was so weak that He could not move. Dear learners, please follow the board. Here is an example. He was so weak that he could not move. Dear learners, please follow the board. Here he is a subject. Was, this is final verb. So dot dot that. Weak, this is an adjective. This is a clause. Dear learners, if we change this sentence into simple, what will be our answer? Then our answer will be, we take he, then we take the final verb was, and at the place of so, we use to. Then we use adjective weak. Then we put to at the place of that, and next we take the verb from second clause. He was too weak to move. This is a simple sentence and this is a complex sentence because there is so dot dot that. And in this sentence we find 2 dot dot 2. So this is a simple sentence and this is a complex sentence. Dear learners, now we will discuss another rule of complex sentence. If. Dear learners, you know that if is a complex word. I give an example. If you take a good preparation, you will make a good result in the exam. Dear learners, please follow the board. I gave an example. If I take a good preparation, you will make a good result in the exam. In this sentence, we find if. As if is a complex sentence, so it is a complex. Now, we change this sentence into simple. But how we can change this sentence? At first we will follow this statement. This statement is affirmative. This statement is affirmative or positive. When we find any affirmative sentence which is started from if, then we take by. And then we use the present form of verb take, and if we use here by, so this word will be present participle taking. By taking a good result, by taking a good preparation, you will make a good result in the. Dear learners, please follow the board. Here we take by. But why we take this by? Because we take this by of because, and this is a affirmative sentence, and so we take in simple sentence by. Dear learners, now we see another example. If you do not memorize it, you cannot summarize the poem. You cannot summarize it, sorry. Dear learners, please follow the board. If you do not memorize it, you cannot summarize it. Dear learners, in my previous example, we find if, and this sentence was positive or affirmative, but in this sentence we find do not, and this is a negative word. So this sentence is negative sentence, and this sentence we change into simple. But how? At first we take without. At the replacement of if, we take what we will take without at the replacement of if. Then we take the verb from first clause, memorize. Memorize. But as we put here without, so this verb will be present participle. Without memorizing it, second clause, you cannot summarize it. Okay, dear learners, in my next class I will discuss another rules of transformation. So your today's homework, complex to simple sentence. Okay, dear learners, we will meet in my next class. Then you keep well and sound well. Thank you.